और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
In today's video, we have got something truly mind blowing for you. Have you ever wondered how to build an app even though you are a non-coder? Well, in this video, I will show you how to build an app with zero coding knowledge using ChatGPT. This video is divided into 4 parts, so watch until the end for better understanding. Without any further ado, let's get started.
Alright, in this video we'll be discussing how we can build a app with zero coding knowledge, right? So basically in this video we'll be building a to-do list app, right? So to build to-do list app, first we have to get a code, right? So as we have no knowledge regarding code, we have to get a code, right? So I have here with ChatGPT asking for a code. Alright, I have given a prompt like create a HTML, CSS and JavaScript code separately. I have mentioned particular word to make all the code separate, right? To build a to-do list app with white and blue theme, right? So now let's click on enter. Let's see how it comes. Alright, now all the codes have been generated separately. So now we have to check whether this code generated by ChatGPT is valid or not, is correct or not. So we have to move into the another platform and check whether this is right or not. So let's do it. Alright, now to validate whether the response given by ChatGPT is valid or not, let's get into the another platform. Let's click on new tab. And in new tab let's search for CodePen. Alright, now click on CodePen online code editor and front-end web developer. So as soon as you click on this, you will get interface like this. Over here click on pen. Again, now whatever the codes we have generated from ChatGPT, you can copy and paste it over here, right? So let's copy and paste. Alright, first let's copy our HTML code and paste it down over here. And you please do the same with CSS and JavaScript as well. Alright, now do the same with JavaScript. Alright, now the outcome is like this. So is this a good outcome, guys? You guys have not even coded a single line. The prompt you have taken from the ChatGPT has been put it down here, so you have got an output. Wow, this is amazing, right? So now let me try this out. So let me write, so meeting. Again, let me take a gym as my to-do list, right? And again, let me type reading. And now let me think, or let me consider I have finished reading. So let me click on reading. It's been deleted. So again, let me think I have completed a gym, right? It's been done. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Now the to-do list app is ready. And now if you want to share it with your friends or to update as a live in web, you can do it. So I will show you how you can post this or publish this on a web. Now that you have seen the incredible potential of AI tools in action, why are you waiting? Take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with Beaten-X. We offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just ₹9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by 2 alumni of IIT Kharagpur. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with Beaten-X now. Before taking our app into live or web, we have to first save all these files, all this HTML, CSS and JavaScript code in our desktop, right? So let's do it. All right. Now let's copy all this HTML, CSS and JavaScript codes to Notepad, right? So let's type Notepad in search bar. Okay. In Notepad, first let's copy the complete HTML code. Okay, let's save as. Let's create a new folder. Let's put it in desktop. Okay, now let's create a new folder. So let's give name as a to-do list. Yeah, and now let's paste here. So let's change the file name. So let's change it to index.html. And guys, please note you have to change the file name like this or else it might not work. So yeah, index.html. So let's save. Yeah, it's saved. And now let's take a new file and here let's paste all the CSS code. And let's save this. Let's save as style.css. Alright, let's save. And yeah, now the last one is JavaScript. Let's take a new file and let's copy the complete JavaScript code and let's paste it in Notepad. Yeah, let's rename this or let's save as. So let's save this as script.js. Let's save. Yeah, now this thing is complete, right? So now we can upload this complete file whatever we have in live on web, right? So let's see how that can be done. All right, now I have come to the place of desktop where I have saved the files, that means the codes. Now let's open this index with Google Chrome, right? So now you are all set to use your app in your desktop or in your laptop, right? So now we have to bring this app to the web. That means you have to go live, right? You have to share the link to your friends so that they can use it as well. So that's what we are doing now. So now let's do it. So now to bring it live, click on new tab and search for tiny.host. Here click on upload. So here you want to put in a zip file. So first let's convert the files we have, the folder we have, into zip folder, right? and here right click, and there you will get an option called new, and then you will see an option called compress, right? Compress zip folder. So let's do it. So now we have created it. We have created a new compressed zip folder, right? So now let's go here and let's drag and drop here, right? The zip file which we have just now created, let's upload here. So now the zip file is ready. So now let's give a name. This will be a URL name, right? It will be a link name which you will be sharing it, right? So let's give it as to-do list, right? So now let's publish it. So the list name is already taken. So let's change it. So let's do to-do lists, right? So now let's try to publish. And guys, magic has happened. Now your web app is live. So you can share it with your friends via link or QR code as well. So anyone can access to your web app by this URL, right? It's crazy, right, guys? It's crazy. And guys, now we have seen how our web app has been live. So now we have to convert this web app into mobile app, right? As I told, this will be a mobile app. So we have to convert it, right? So let's do it. So click on new tab and search for web into app. All right. So webintoapp.com. Let's click on it. So let's give get started. And now let's say we have to give a URL. So whatever we have generated at tiny.host. So let's copy that. So let's copy. And yeah, we have to paste it down here. And let's give a name. Let's give app name as to-do list. And let's click on next. And if you have icon, you can select it or you can leave it down. So now let's click on next. Now click on make app. So let's log in. And now it's ready, guys, almost done. Now click on make app. So your APK file is being generating. So it takes few seconds. And they'll ask for category. So I will just click it as education, and let me give a description as a to-do list. All right, then I'll click on OK. And now here you can download your APK file, right? You can download over here, download all files. If you can share that APK file to your mobile phones, then you can use it as an app. So how was this, guys? How was this? It's a mind-blowing, right? So without knowing a knowledge of coding, we have done an app. Like this, you can customize your app based on your requirements. And while at the time of giving prompt to ChatGPT, you can give the prompt in which way you wanted the app is, right? That's it for this session, and have a great day.